Hello everyone, welcome to this video to understanding DNS and SMTP. Introduction to DNS and SMTP. DNS stands for Domain Name System, acts like the phone book of the internet. It translates human-friendly domain names like google.com into IP addresses that computers use to identify each other. Without DNS, we have to remember complex strings of numbers instead of simple website names. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is the standard protocol used to send emails from one server to another. When you send an email, SMTP ensures it reaches the right destination securely and efficiently. What is DNS? DNS works like the phone book of the internet. Just like we use contact names instead of memorizing phone numbers, DNS lets you use easy to remember domain names like www.google.com instead of long numerical IP addresses like 142.150.77.78. DNS also supports different types of records, such as records that point to IP addresses, CNAMEs that map one domain to another, and MX records used in email routing. These records help direct internet traffic to the right destination efficiently. How DNS works? When you type a website name into your browser, a DNS query is sent to find its IP address. This request goes through a series of DNS servers starting from root servers to authority ones. Once the IP is found, it's sent back to your device so you can connect to the website. Importance of DNS. DNS is absolutely crucial for the web to function. When you type a website name like https://www.google.com/search q equal to google.com into your browser, DNS is what translates that human readable name into an IP addresses that computers understand, allowing your browser to efficiently load the website. DNS also plays a vital role in a security. It supports measures like DNSSEC. What is SMTP? SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's the fundamental protocol used to sending and receiving emails. Thinking of it as the postman for your electronic mail. SMTP is crucial because it allows email clients like Outlook or email to send your message to email servers. It also enables these servers to communicate with each other. to deliver emails to the correct recipients. How SMTP works? SMTP stands Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Stands standard protocol for sending emails. When you send an email, your client talks to an SMTP server, which then forwards the message to the recipient server. If the recipient server is busy, SMTP can queue the email for later delivery. SMTP commands. Essentially, SMTP relies on a series of commands and corresponding responses to manage the entire email communication process. It's like a structured conversation between two parties. Some of the most common commands include HELO, which initiates a session, mail from to specify the sender's address, RCPT for the recipient's address, and data, which signifies the start of the actual email content. Each of these serves a very specific purpose in the email transfer. Security and DNS SMTP. DNSSEC, DNS security intentions. This is like adding a digital signature to DNS data. It helps to verify that the information you are getting from a DNS server, like a browser's IP addresses, is stamped with. This protects against DNS spoofing and cache poisoning. Conclusion: the understanding of both the DNS and SMTP is absolutely critical for anything working in the web development or IT. These two systems, DNS for naming and SMTP for email, play a pivotal role in ensuring effective and reliable communication across the entire internet.